Hello, I am Diya Makwana from BloggersPassion team. If you want to start a website on WordPress.com, don't pay full price. There is a coupon right now that can bring your monthly cost down from $9 to under $2. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you how this works and how you can use it. Here's something many people don't know. WordPress.com's price changes based on how long you sign up for. If you pay month by month, you pay full price, that is $9. If you sign up for 1 full year, the price goes down. If you sign up for 2 or 3 years, the price goes down even more. This is common with most hosting websites. They give a lower price when you stay longer. On the top of that, WordPress.com is also giving an extra coupon. This coupon gives 30% off on every plan. Let's look at the personal plan as an example. The monthly price is $9. If you pay for 1 year, the price becomes $4 a month, that is 55% off. If you pay for 2 years, the price becomes $3.25 a month, that is 63% off. If you pay for 3 years, the price becomes $2.75 a month, that is 69% off. Now here's the important part. If you also add the extra 30% coupon on the 3 years plan, the price goes down even more. It becomes just $1.93 a month. So the longer you stay plus the coupon, the cheaper it becomes. This is how discount works. At this price, you are not getting a smaller or basic plan. You still get a free domain name for the first year. You get all premium designs and themes. You get unlimited bandwidth so your website works well even with many visitors. You get a global CDN, which means your website loads fast for people anywhere in the world. You get a free automatic backup so your website's data stays safe. And if you even want to sell a product online, WooCommerce is also included. This is the same quality that bigger websites use. You are just getting at a much lower price because of the coupon. Here's how you can get this discount. It only takes 3 easy steps. Step 1. Open the WordPress.com pricing page using the coupon link given in the description. The discount is added automatically. You don't need to type any code. Step 2. Choose the plan that fits what you need. If you are starting a simple blog, the personal plan is enough. If you need more space or extra tool, choose the business plan. Step 3. Make your free account and go to checkout. The lower price will be show up on its own before you pay. Just check it one more time before you confirm. This coupon only works for new account. It does not work for people renewing an old plan. The price shown are starting price. Always check the final total before you pay. So if you have been thinking about making a website, this is the one of the lowest price you will find right now. The link is in the description and the discount will be added automatically. Thanks for watching and subscribe to BloggersPassion YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.